If you're looking for brown hobo bags, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2018 Top 10 Brown Hobo Bags for Women. Number 1, Most Popular, by Alyssa. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by Kattee. Number 3, by Utake. For more info and hobo bags deals, click this circle. Number 4, by Oakarbo. Number 5, by Baggallini. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 6, by Z-joyee. Number 7, by Cause. Discover more brown hobo bags ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 8, by Reela. Number 9, by Coach. The top 10 brown hobo bags for women were collected from the most trusted online retailers like Amazon and Best Buy. Number 10, by The Sack.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.